Hello and welcome. So one of the other greatest feature that we have in compliance management tools is journal. Journal rules is one of the features that we had in older version of Exchange servers, and today we have it in our Exchange Server 2016 compliance management section. And journal in Exchange Server 2016 records inbound and outbound email messages. So let me give you an example. The example is like your company's CEO or the boss wants to record all messages that is sent from your organization and that is received in your organization. So, for example, you have 1,000 users or 100 users. So daily, whatever they send and then they receive, it should go to it should record all those messages to a specific um, journal mailbox. So if you call 911 or if you call one of the other customer services, they always tell you that your call is going to be recorded. So what are you doing in here is you are recording all your email messages. In most organization where they use journal rules, where they want to keep record of who is sending what emails and who is receiving what type of email addresses. So whatever you send, whatever you receive, or whatever your users send and receive, all of them will just all those emails will just send a copy to your journal mailbox. So it is copying or keeping a record of all inbound and outbound messages that are coming in, messages that are going out. It is creating a copy, it is forwarding a copy of those emails from all of your users to the journal mailbox. So how can you configure journal mailbox? It is done in two steps. So step number one is you have to create a recipient for that. So once you go in here, you can simply say user mailbox, and then you can say journal at uh, journal, and then it is going to be a new user journal, and I'm just going to give it a name of journal again. So it depends like what name you want to use. It's up to you. Password. We are done. So next thing is go to journal rules, add, and then send journal reports to journal at elmjotech.local, and then journal is the name. If the messages is sent to or received from a specific user, or you just want to apply to all messages. So you can just select if it's for a specific user or group, and then journal the following messages: all messages, internal or external messages. Do you want to just journal internal messages, or you want to only journal external messages, or you want to journal or just copy send a copy of emails, which is like going to be for all messages. I'll just select save. Do you want to apply this rule to all future messages? Do you want to apply it for all other, um, for example, um, future mailboxes that you have? And I just selected yes. So now what's going to happen is that whenever someone tries to send and receive emails, it is going to just send a copy to your journal. So for example, let me just show it to you practically. If I go to um, Jeff's account and then I say I want to send an email to Parviz, uh, and I'll just name it will it go to journal send, and now this is sent, right? Yes, it is sent. So let me access journal mailbox through Outlook Web Access. So I'm gonna say https colon backslash backslash and sac ejo the Exchange server name backslash OA, which is going to load Outlook Web Access for you. So once it loads, it's like another way of accessing Outlook through web browser from anywhere, anytime you want. So we will be discussing about OA in our client access section. So I'll just try to use journal username and password because we want to open that one up to see if it's copying or recording messages or not, because whatever you send, it is going to send a copy to journal. Okay, save. Time zone is going to be Pacific, US, Canada. Here you go. Did you see here? So it just sent a message to journal. So whatever you send and receive, it is going to send it to a journal. So let me send another email, one more, okay, um, just to confirm, send. Where are you, journal? Here you go. Confirm. So it is sending a copy of all internal, external email messages to the journal. So that's how journal mailbox works. So I hope you have learned something, and I'll see you next video.